Hi everyone, so this is Tanak and today I'm unboxing such a nice product which is Hollyland Lark M2. It's coming with the combo. This is a nice audio microphones. If you are a vlogger or if you are a YouTuber, you should need to carry one of them. So let's unboxing and let's have a look what comes inside. So when you open the box, you will see such a nice small box coming with the products inside. I'll let you know later on. It's also coming with the two connectors, which is one of them is a type C connector, another one is a lightning connector. So that's two products also coming inside. If I can have a look and if I can open the box, let's see. So I can see that small little pouch comes as well inside from the Hollyland, so and all accessories are inside. So it's also coming with type A to type C cables to charge your lovely box. It's also coming with the two windscreen sills as well, which is a nice if you are shooting video outside in windy weather or in noisy weather. Such a nice necklace that you can wear it while you are shooting the videos. It's one of the microphones that I just wear it to shoot the video. So this one is nice if you are using it. So this is a nice product. It's also coming with the small clips, which is the two little tiny clips. It's that you can attach to your t-shirts. So this is all the stickers is coming as for. This is the ones that you can use it and you can attach it. So it's look nice and funky. So that's one of the good as options as well from the Hollyland, just to make you some nice products and look nice when you wear it outside. All right, so let's open and let's remove all of the stickers from the box and let's see what comes inside. So when you open and when you remove all of the stickers, you will see such a nice box from the Hollyland. When you see the back side, you will see one of the USB charging port, which is USB type C charging port. Let's open the box and let's see what comes inside. So when you open the box, you will see such a nice two microphones and one of them receiver that you can connect to your camera. And let me remove the stickers first from the speaker. So let's see how the speakers look like. So it's look nice, amazing. Let me remove from the back side as well and let's see. So this is the charging ports, that charging sockets that you can connect over there. So let's see now the receivers that you can add it to the camera. So this is the receiver that you can add it to your camera with one of the 3.5mm audio jack. You can add it to your camera and you can easily start recording with this lovely microphone. It's really nice and tiny speakers which comes inside the box. It's just a 9 gram of weight, which is a very less and very lightweight as well. It's supporting 300 transmitter range, which is like 300 meters. It's also coming with 24-bit hi-fi audio systems, which give you a nice quality of the sounds. It's also give you up to 40 hours of battery life in this small lovely pack. It's take 1.5 hours to fully charge, so that is nice. So I will check this and I will try this outside in windy weather to see how the noise cancellation is working, because it's coming with ANC as well. So let's talk about from the normal phone. So this is the sound quality if you are shooting video from the normal phones, and this is the sound quality it comes. Alright, so this is the sound quality when you are using a Hollyland Lark M2 microphones. So let me know in comments that which one is better. So this is my final conclusions, that if you are a vlogger and if you are a YouTuber and if you are looking a good microphone and in mid-range price range, which is like not too much expensive or not too much cheap, so this is a very nice product from the Hollyland Lark M2. This one is coming in Amazon. I saw the price was coming £170, but you will get it more cheaper, which is £130 or £120 as well. This one's I bought it for £105 in Black Friday, so I got a very good deal and I just got a very good investment as well, because this will be my daily user from now on. So this is a very nice. There are so many microphones comes in the market, which is DJI, Rhodes and everything, but they are more higher prices. So if your budget is around 100 to 150 pounds, I will suggest go with Hollyland Lark M2. You will never get a regret. So that's it. So that was the review from my side for Hollyland Lark M2, guys. If you have any questions, please put the comments below and I'll try to help you with that. If you have any other questions regard to anything microphones, like any other microphones or anything, I'll try to help you. Please put the comments in below. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this lovely video. Thank you.